if me say anything a road, always remember my standpoint or my standpoint. So who want vex, just vex.
Viewers and subscribers, wagwan, welcome back to another upload. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Jaii attack a little upon the situation. Plus we also have Pretti than a burnout Sizla. Yeah man, Pretti than a burnout Jaii in this one. We have Pretti than a burnout Sizla, you see me? Yeah man, so watch out man, leave a like on the video, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy if you're new to over here, and remember click that bell to be notified so you do not and will never miss a brand new upload from this channel. You see me? Big up on yourself, and I hope so you enjoy this video. But anyways, make we jump right into it.
I'm not gonna lie, I never really get it, but one time it go around there like, I go with you, it made me smile. And I was so ashamed of myself.
Why would you be ashamed?
I'm like, why do I like this?
Because it's nice.
You think so?
It's nice. I have a tingling feeling, so.
It did.
So Pretti than did a burnout Jaii. Well, she's still a bunny mouth. But like I said, in this review, we are Pretti than a burnout Sizla, not Jaii. You see me? I'm just a remind on what Jaii said and how Pretti than did a react to it. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what Jaii say in response to this.
Me will post something that I am comfortable with, and somebody will try to use it against me as if I never me post it. You know what I mean, dog? You know when somebody go in on your phone and find something and leak it, would I understand that? Me I say, yo, you know, really go in on my private life and that should have there a road. But if me say anything a road, always remember my standpoint or my standpoint. So who want vex, just vex. It's simple as that. Simple as that. Me never get that yet, dog. It's like if me forward out and say, yo, me I want thief. Yo, y'all want thief. Nigga, I told you I'm a thief.
Damn.
You know what I say? No, if me a thief, I'm gonna put on the mask and the gloves and everything, and you find out now. No so Scooby-Doo go. Them no want.
Yeah man, so Jaii, as you can hear, the entertainer, basically, me don't know if I'm try to clear up the situation, or I'm just try to take some of the pressure off him, because I know say the entertainer under some huge pressure after that way him say, you see me? Basically everybody a bunny mouth. I acting a bunny mouth, Pretti than a bunny mouth, footer hype a bunny mouth, and lots more. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, wanna make me know think about that. You see me? Jaii, him under some huge pressure. No joke. But to him that talk, it seem like same David here. So like I said, the ball in a phone court. Let me know what you think about that. You see me? Yeah man. Moving on to another topic.
Just the way things ought to be, yeah. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through.
So Pretti than a burnout Sizla and attack a bag of things on her life. You see me? I'm gonna play the video and I'm gonna see what go on. Pretti than basically I say, yo, Sizla, how people if you look up to Sizla or look up to a man or be it woman. You see me? And you don't know say them something that we don't support it. You see me? We don't support a woman beater. So Pretti than a burnout Sizla, viewers and subscribers do not want to miss it. So channel man, pre-wag one, and if you reach this far, remember, leave a like and subscribe if you're new.
How now Lord make dada feel like say my blood clot God. Pussy go suck your mama. How now Lord make them your blood clot thinking waist rasta you walk and beat girl. Beat all him baby mother so till him broke all her hand. One man will facially destroy him blood clot baby mother. Rearrange him baby mother face. Broke up him baby mother. Who no make them your body man you feel like them a God. Man who beat and broke up woman. Who fuck is Sizla? Sizla bumbo clot God. How now blood clot Lord make them pussy hole you feel like God. How now Lord make them feel like say what them a do right. Sizla can't sing no righteousness to people. Him do the worst blood clot things them, boy. Him do the worst blood clot things them. Him are the worst blood clot human that Jamaica. All him walk and do is preach it. Me can't cuss him. You know why? Me now blood clot walk and blood clot beat no bumbo clot body like Sizla. Sizla broke up him baby mother hand, rearrange her face. Every woman went ever there with him beat them. He'll treat them, kick them in a blood clot wall. I want to come blood clot at about do this dada. Dada the hate woman. Oh, now protect one thinking Rasta boy. Where he hate blood clot girl pitney. You say girl pitney enough if fuck girl. But yet you beat them and he'll treat them and kick them in a wall. Might as well you make a girl go suck out them pussy. Because the girl they now go broke up their hand and beat out them blood clot like you. Move on a pussy wall. On a alone wall up them waist man ya Jamaica as blood clot God. They see a man them we beat and he'll treat girl. When they listen to look mama song and to look a dry cry and a member say them they are woman abuser. Them they are blood clot wicked and idiot ruler. No for you don't know that. You come like so now idiot. You come hold the waste people them high. Man like Sizla not supposed to get no ratings. Man like Sizla if you go suck him mama and go. One time I beat girl and I ill treat woman and I push out how much in violence, how much gun in a Jamaica. You not can talk about dada. This man is one of the reasons why Jamaica is the way how it is. Him produce violence and beat girl. Oh no want me for respect Sizzla. No man will beat girl and I push out gun in a Jamaica can get no respect from me.
So like I said, Pretti than a burn out Sizzla and you can hear the reason why. You see me? Pretti than I make people them know say yo Sizzla a beat woman over and over and over and they don't know say we not support acts like those. You see me? We not support no violence towards no woman, much less towards nobody. So any man will beat woman, we not support them none at all. And Pretti than like I said a burn out Sizzla. Viewers and subscribers make me know anything about that. If you don't want to see the full video, only can go up on Pretti than page. Big up to Pretti than same way you know. She do the right thing and you know say you can't burn her out for this because bro it's the right thing she do. You see me? So yeah man, big up to Pretti than viewers and subscribers. You want to make me know anything about that. And if you're new to over here, like I said, leave a like on the video, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, and feel free to comment. Yeah man, feel free to make me know anything about any of the topic that I may touch upon. You see me? Like always, catch you in another one.